BareBeauty was popping, so today I'll be using some dual forms because Sis is tired of putting on tips. So let's jump on into this video. So I already pre-measured my nails, and I'm battling whether or not if I should do natural or clear. I'm not quite sure, but just before we jump into that, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below if you wish, and follow me on my TikTok and also my Instagram if you like. So the next thing that I'll be doing is I'll be applying some top coat. This is regular top coat. I find that this works best. I have tried the gel method already, but it didn't work out. I don't know if how I applied it or how I did it, not quite sure. So I'm just gonna do this. So yeah, so I've been recording all week. I mean, this is kind of my final video for this week. The videos have not been turning out how I want it. I'm really bummed about that. I'm still going to post them, but I don't really like it. Yeah, it's growing on me. Let's keep it at that. That it's actually growing on me. So yeah, so I'm going to apply this, a thin layer of the top coat to my nails. And I mean, these pop off fairly easily, hence why my nails out here have been looking very healthy. So yeah, so I'm going to leave this to dry, and then when it's dry, I'll come back. So now that they're dried, I decided that I'll be going in with natural. Natural is almost like a clear with white in it, which is a really beautiful color. I've used it here on my channel before, so you guys probably can just scroll on my timeline and go check it out. So what I'll be doing for today's video is that I'll be applying this. If you guys haven't seen the DIY challenge on my video, definitely going to check it out. So the whole process is just like putting polygel into the dual form. So what I'm going to do right here is that I'm going to apply, by the way, yes, judging by the thumbnail, that I won't be doing any long nails for today's video. So I'm going to go in my my liquid, and I want the liquid to be dry as possible, and then I'll go in natural, ensure that it's, you know, a nice thick. Then I'm going to remove some of the liquid from it because I want it to be dry, and then I'll apply it in here. So this is a true test right here. For that, I'm not going to wait for it to dry. And I'm going to apply, I hope you guys can see, apply to my nail like that. It's already, like that, and I'll remove that. It's already coming up, so I hold it down there. And wait for it to dry. So just remove the product from around the nail, like that, ensuring it's to the cuticle. And then I probably could go in and just press this out like that. Very simple, easy. Let's start on the other nail. So I'm going to get my dual form, put some liquid in my brush, dip it in my my acrylic, apply it to there. You don't want the bead to be as dry, so, and then you apply it to the nail like that. Then you hold it down like so until you feel like it's dry. You can remove the excess around it or after. Then you're going to take your brush and go under and just kind of, you know, feather it out so it can be a little bit thinner, like so. Like so. So let's do it again.
Hope you're aiming right. If I'm on site, I'm not afraid to die. Are you? Nah. I'll be dressed in white. White light. White light. You tell me before I'm out. You know that they come out tonight. So cross your T's and dye your O's. Hope you're ready for a fight.
these are how they're looking. Very excited to take them off. So yeah. Okay, some may ask how you know if it's dry. So you can go under the nail and kind of touch it to see if it's dry. So while touching the pinky, it's obviously not dry, but the other nails are dry. So I'm going to remove them now, just like any regular while using it with polygel. Just apply, just removing it. It comes off very easily. This is not quite ready because it doesn't want to come off. Oh, there we go. So yeah, so these are how the nails are looking. It feels quite odd. It feels quite odd. Okay, so just before going with my e-file, I'm just going to go around the cuticle area and remove that. Just be careful. Oh, it's already lifting. Oh my god. Be careful. Just snip around it. Just snip around it. So that is done. That's the furthest I'll go right now. And then I'll take my e-file with the round bit and go around the nails. Okay, so I decided that I wanted to intensify the color a little bit more, and if you guys look in the cuticle, it's just not working for me. So I'm just going to add some right there. Form, they tend not to be somewhat accurate, which, you know, kind of don't want me to, you know, I don't feel the need to use it, and they don't give me a well done job. It may be due to, you know, how I'm using it, or I just don't know how to use it. Could be just my fault. So after that is done, I'm then going under my nail. So now I'll go in with my 180 grit. So now I'll be taking my gel polish, polishing my thumb, my pointer, and the ring finger. So this part I totally forgot that I was filming. I literally stopped talking and was doing and was going along. Because I think it's because of force of habit as to why I did that, because I don't usually do live voiceovers. I tend to do, you know, voiceovers that are after the fact, yeah. So I'm using my gel polish on these nails. I'm going to do 2 coats of them, and then I'll come back with you guys.
If I'm on site, I'm not afraid to die. Are you now?
Okay, so I just realized that while painting my nails, I did not say anything. So I'll be doing a abstract face. I'm really obsessed with this. Let's see how this goes, because my line work has not been that great. So let me attempt to draw an abstract face. I'm gonna get some bling. We're gonna bling out the nail. Let's bring out the nail. We're gonna bling 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 the nail out.
Hope you're aiming right. If I'm on site, I'm not afraid of.
So this is my very first time just blinging out a nail. I've never blinged out a nail like this until this video, and I was really excited about it. So after that is done, I'll cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. Apply the stick called top coat cuticle oil, massage around the cuticle, and then voila. This was really fun doing. I hope you guys do enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below if you wish. Follow me on all my social medias, which is Instagram and TikTok, and if you want to see no videos, go check out TikTok. So yes guys, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.